This is a composite bar chart, and whenever you've got a composite bar chart, you need to make sure you look at the key there. So the grey is children, the slashed is women, and then the dark kind of black is then men. So write down the number of men living in the village in 2000. So that's 2000. We know on the side that the men is the dark black, so we're looking for all of this area here. Halfway from 0 to 100 is 50, and there's 5 squares from 0 to 50, so each one of those little squares is then 10. This is one above that, which therefore means that there are 60 men living in the village in 2000. The next question then goes, work out the number of children living in the village in 2010. So we're looking at 2010, it's children, so we're looking for the grey bit, and it's 2010 there, so we're looking for that part just there. Okay, the way you can do this is to work out the top value, then what the bottom value is, and then subtract. So that top value is 210. This value here, well, that's 150, then 160, and 210 minus 160, that then gives you 50. So there's 50 children living in the village in 2010. Another way you could have done it is you could have counted up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, and each square is 10. So that then gives you 50 in total. So the final part of the question is just for 2020, which is this one here. And we're finding the ratio of the number of children to the total number of men and women. So the number of children to the total number of, I'll put men and women there. So for the children, that's that top bit there. And the bottom value in this case is then 200, and the top value is then going to be 280, so the difference is then 80, so I'm going to put children just there. The men and women is all of this, which is then 200, so I'm then going to put 200 there. It doesn't ask us for this in its simplest form, so you can just leave it as 80 to 200. If you did want to simplify it, you can divide them both by 10, which would then give you 8 to 20, and then you could divide both of them by 4, which would then give you 2 to 5. It doesn't say that, so there's no need to do it, but if you wanted to, you could.